In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off toast notifications in Microsoft 365 Copilot. If those little pop-up alerts on the corner of your screen keep interrupting your focus, this quick walkthrough will help you quiet them down while still keeping Copilot handy when you need it. We'll move carefully through each click so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. First, open Microsoft 365 Copilot. Give it a moment to load so the main interface is visible. You should see the familiar sidebar and your workspace. We'll make all our changes right inside Copilot, so there's nothing else you need to open. Next, look toward the bottom left corner of the Copilot window. You'll find a three-dot menu there, sometimes referred to as More Options. Select that menu to expand a small panel of additional controls. This is where Copilot keeps a few extra tools that don't appear on the main toolbar. From that panel, click on Settings. It may appear with a gear icon, and it opens a dedicated area where you can adjust how Copilot behaves and communicates with you. If you don't see settings right away, scroll the panel if it's long. It's typically near the top of this list. Inside Settings, click on Notifications. This section centralizes how and when you're alerted. It's designed to give you control over the volume of alerts so you can tailor them to your workflow without missing important updates. Now find the option labeled Toast Notifications. Toasts are those small, temporary pop-ups that slide in briefly to get your attention. To turn them off, switch this option to the off position. Once you do, Copilot will stop sending those pop-up alerts while you're working. This change helps reduce distractions, especially during meetings, deep work, or screen recordings. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Turning off toast notifications only affects those pop-up banners. It doesn't remove other ways of seeing updates, such as in-app badges or information shown inside Copilot itself. If you ever want toast alerts back, just return to the same notifications area and switch the toggle back on. And if you still notice system-level pop-ups from other apps, remember that your device's operating system can also manage notifications, Copilot's setting controls. Copilot's toasts specifically. That's it. You've opened Microsoft 365 Copilot, accessed the three-dot menu, gone into Settings, selected Notifications, and turned off toast notifications. Enjoy a cleaner, more focused workspace, and feel free to re-enable the alerts anytime your workflow calls for them.